Timely Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll explore Timely, a feature-rich booking platform designed for service-based businesses. If you're interested, links to Timely are provided in the description. Let's get straight to the details. Timely is tailored specifically for businesses in the beauty, wellness, and personal services industries. It excels in simplifying appointment scheduling while providing tools to enhance client relationships and business efficiency. With its clean, intuitive interface, Timely ensures both clients and business owners have a seamless experience. One standout feature is the Smart Calendar, which allows you to schedule, reschedule, and manage appointments effortlessly. The drag-and-drop functionality makes adjustments quick, and the system automatically updates availability in real time to prevent double bookings. Timely supports both individual and group appointments, making it ideal for everything from one-on-one consultations to workshops or classes. Integrated payment solutions are another highlight, with options like Timely Pay or third-party payment processors such as Stripe and Square. The platform supports deposits, no-show fees, and even recurring payments, providing financial flexibility and reducing missed revenue opportunities. Client management is another area where Timely shines. It creates detailed client profiles, storing appointment history, notes, and even photos, which is invaluable for maintaining personalized service. The automated email and SMS reminders help reduce no-shows, keeping your schedule on track and your clients informed. Timely's marketing tools are designed to boost client retention and attract new customers. Features like email campaigns, SMS promotions, and online review integration make it easier to engage with your audience and grow your business. The system also syncs with popular tools like Google Calendar, Xero, and Zapier for streamlined business operations. Another great aspect is Timely's mobile app, which allows you to manage bookings, track revenue, and communicate with clients on the go. Analytics and reporting features provide actionable insights, helping you monitor performance and make data-driven decisions. Overall, Timely is a powerful booking platform designed for professionals who want a complete solution to manage their appointments, clients, and business growth. Whether you're a salon owner, massage therapist, or fitness coach, Timely offers the tools to streamline operations and enhance your customer experience. Check out the links in the description to learn more and see if Timely is the right fit for your business.